What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make my famous tuna spread, and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, tuna spread? That sounds like tuna salad, man, and I know you done that before. Well,
maybe.
So, I'm going to do it again, though, because this is just a little bit different, and it's got some different flavors, man, to make it good. So, first thing you got to do, you want to make a tuna spread, you have to get you some tuna, buddy boy. Now, and I didn't get that, what's it called, the chicken of the sea. Sorry, Charlie, I had to get the old cheapo goodo for my walletto. So, got that old cheapo, dump it in there. I'm just going to use 2 cans today, and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, did you get this from old Matthew McConaughey? Was he out there saying, all right, because did you see him over there talking to old Bert Chrysler, talking about his magic damned tuna salad recipe? Man, he got all kinds of crazy shit in there. Talking about, I put like avocado oil in there, and some chickpeas, and all this kind of crap you don't got laying around the house. I'm using some stuff that I got laying around mine. So, put that tuna in there. Next, let's go ahead and put a little mayonnaise down on top of there. Don't you think so, Big Daddy? I do. So, let's go ahead and put that mayo in there, and I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons. Now, you can make it as runny or as thick as you want. Me, I like it a little bit in the middle there, buddy. So, I'm going to go ahead and Malcolm in the middle. Now, let's go ahead and get that mayonnaise and plop her down in there. Next, we're going to add a little moutarde. And I like to go about, 50-50 on mine. Like I say, you do the ratio you want, but to me, it makes it a little tart. It makes it go. So, let's go ahead and get that in there. Now, let's go ahead and add some relish, because to me, tuna salad, tuna spread, whatever you want to call it there, Sanford, is not tuna salad without no relish in it. Now, we got that relish like we at the ball game. Put that in there. Next thing I'm going to add some corn. Or you're saying to yourself, like, oh, corn, really? Are you out there with Jonathan Davis? No, I'm in here making this because, one time I had some corn in the fridge and I said, you know what, the hell with it, and put it in my stuff. Put it in my stuff was good stuff, so I've been doing it ever since. Just about a half can of corn to this ratio that we're doing here. Now, once you go ahead and stir it up good, stir it up, mix it up, and once we get it good and done, now, beautiful thing about this, I really understand yourself, like, I think you should add some red onion in there, sir. Some red onion would be a good flavor. Well, I would like some red onion in there too, but I forgot it at the store. And you know me, buddy, I can tell you that shit I ain't going back because big snowstorm coming. Gotta bundle my butt up in here. I'm gonna be like old boy out there. So, and you know what I'm talking about. So, let's go ahead and mix it up, do our stuff, got it good. I'm gonna put mine on some bread. This is the great thing about this. You can put it on a cracker. You can't shit. It's pound like 2. I ate it out of the bowl, my boy, because it's that good. I might even go and come back and eat the rest of the bowl. So, before I do, let's go ahead and get a sight and a big old bite of this tuna spread tonight, me boy. Ooh, yeah. Good. Alright, buddy. The time has come. Me tuna spread is done. Remember that first bite from me, Big Daddy? I forgot to tell you. Put that sucker in the fridge and let it chill with you. The longer you let it chill, better it is. So, we're going to bite whitey now. We worry. Go! Oh, and I think I'm drippy whippy. It's going to be a mess. A mess! A big mess, see? I sound like that damn frog. Yeah, Sam, it's a big mess, Sam. So, damn, that's good now, Sam. That's some good tuna spread, my friend. Delicious. Just enough relish and mustard to make it tart. That corn in there give it a little extra texture. Do a little something else to it too. Good stuff, my friend. So, I want to thank you, little goodies, for stopping by another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on social media. You can also watch all me other cooking shows right here on the YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, it's more time for the more tuna, so we got to go, my friend. We got to go. Go. Ripper.